Safe practices for online shopping and banking. In today's digital age, online shopping and banking have become everyday activities for most of us. They offer convenience and efficiency, allowing us to make purchases and manage our finances with just a few clicks. But with this convenience comes a responsibility to protect our personal information. Cybersecurity threats are real and ever-evolving, making it imperative that we take steps to safeguard our data. Firstly, always ensure that the websites you use for shopping and banking are legitimate and secure. Look for a padlock symbol in the address bar and check that the URL begins with HTTPS, indicating a secure connection. Create strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. Instead, opt for a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Consider using a password manager. These tools can generate and store complex passwords for you, reducing the temptation to reuse passwords across different sites and making it easier to manage them. Be wary of public Wi-Fi networks. These are often unsecured, making it easy for hackers to intercept the data you transmit. If you must use public Wi-Fi, consider using a virtual private network, VPN, to encrypt your connection. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, where possible. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to provide two different types of information before accessing your account, making it harder for attackers to gain unauthorized access. Keep your devices updated. Regularly update your computer and smartphone operating systems, browsers, and apps. These updates often contain critical security patches that protect against the latest threats. Be cautious with emails and messages. Phishing attacks, where scammers impersonate legitimate companies to steal your information, common. Verify the sender's identity and avoid clicking on suspicious links or attachments. Monitor your bank statements and online accounts regularly. Look out for any unauthorized transactions or changes to your account information and report them immediately. Educate yourself about the latest cybersecurity threats. Awareness is a powerful tool. By staying informed, you can better recognize potential risks and know how to respond. Finally, don't hesitate to ask for help if you're unsure about the security of an online transaction or the legitimacy of a website. Contact the customer service of the site or your bank for guidance. By following these simple but effective measures, you can enjoy the benefits of online shopping and banking while minimizing the risks. Secure your digital life, and peace of mind will follow.